John here at Byteball, FYI, just bringing you another video. Wanted to touch on the wallet this time. I know when I'm looking at a new coin, especially something that I'm going to actually want to go out there and transact with some other people, and hopefully put this thing to use. I know that a wallet, especially a mobile wallet, is something that is very important to me. So I wanted to take a couple minutes just to go through the wallet, kind of show you guys what it looks like, show you some of the features and functionality in it, and then answer any questions and follow up on another video in the future, going into some more details and videos, literally on how to interact with the chat bot and how all that stuff works. But now I just want to touch on just kind of what it looks like and give you a little visual overview of it. So I've got the wallet connected down here, and unfortunately, my balance of bytes is not what I'd like it to be, but it is what it is. So, first thing, I think it's a pretty modern looking flat wallet. There's not really a whole lot you can do with a wallet, and it's not like you want to have it to where it's got graphics in it or anything. So just something that's very basic like this and gets you the information that you need in a quick and concise manner is what's important to me. So here you can see that you've got your balance of bytes and then black bytes. You can buy black bytes right now on a couple of smaller, like independent type decentralized exchanges that aren't really exchanges. I know that's confusing, but you might have to do a little bit of research on it. We'll do a video on black bytes later. And then you can also do a little bit of trading in the chat area with black bytes, and we'll touch on that later as well. So if you come up here, you can see that you can actually prepare and you can have someone scan and you can use their QR code or barcode to do transfers here, which is a very nice feature. Over here in the menu, you can see that you've got the ability to have multiple wallets in here. It does support multi-sig, so you can pair this up with another with a desktop wallet and um, have your wallet in multiple locations. Down here along the bottom, you can see that you've got a receive tab. This is going to give you your QR code. So in case you're working with somebody else and they want to pay you in Byteballs, they can just scan with the button up here on the top that we just talked about. You can also share this address with anybody that you've currently got inside of your feed. So got a little bit of security there. You can request specific amounts. You can claim using text coin, and all these are very, very cool features. You can also come through here and send. Pretty straightforward here. You're going to put in how many bytes that you want to send. You're going to put in the amount down here, the address. There also is a text messaging feature built into Byteball where you can send via message. And we're going to do another video on that later. That's one of the things that I really think is going to help differentiate Byteball and really help it take off is the ability to get crypto into somebody's hands without them having to go through the exchange process and just send that over via text message in a medium that people are really already used to using. So this is something that's going to be big, and we're going to talk about that a little bit later. You've also got a nice little history in here of exactly what transactions that you've had coming in and out. And when you come over here into the chat box, you can see that you've got a couple different options there. You can add additional devices or remove transition bot devices here. I know that this is not giving you a whole lot on this. We're going to do a really, really deep dive video later on this stuff. But right now, like I said, I just want to touch on it a little bit. And then as you come over here into the bot store, you can see that there's already some bots that are already created over here. You'll see the term Oracle kind of thrown around a little bit. And essentially that's just a little automated piece that lives inside here that you can use to help you create smart contracts and be a independent point and source of that information that you're going to use, i.e., you're making a bet with somebody, so you can come down and you can use the sports oracle to be able to be the definer of whether you won or lost and whether they're going to execute that smart contract. This is another one of the really, really huge differentiators with Byteball, and this is something that I think once it takes off and people really realize what it can do, it's going to be that one platform that you can really get everything that you need. Like we talked about, you've got a privacy piece with Black Bytes, you've got a smart contract piece, and then you've got an exchange of value piece, obviously, with just your regular Byteball. So This is a very modern looking wallet, and I don't have an iOS right now, and I will do another video later on that when I get a chance to get my hands on an iOS phone. But I believe the wallet is all very similar to that. So this is going to conclude this video. Once again, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if not, go out there and enjoy your bite balls.